Have you ever woken up at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, heart racing because one unexpected bill could wreck your entire life? Your car breaks down, your laptop dies, your job suddenly disappears, or a medical emergency shows up uninvited. And in those silent moments, one question keeps looping in your head. What would I do if something goes wrong tomorrow? Now imagine waking up and realizing you're okay. Not rich, not retired, just safe. Because there's money waiting for you if life hits hard. And here's the shocking truth. The number that changes everything isn't $1 million. It's just 10,000. Let me explain. Most people think financial success only begins when you're wealthy. They imagine luxury cars, dream homes, or six-figure incomes. But real financial transformation happens much earlier, at the moment you finally stop living in fear of the next bill. Because when you're living paycheck to paycheck, every single decision becomes stressful. At the grocery store, you calculate every item before it goes into your cart. Name brand cereal or generic, fresh food or whatever's cheapest. When friends invite you out, you secretly panic, not because you don't want to go, but because one dinner could ruin your entire week's budget. Every unexpected expense feels like a crisis, a flat tire, a broken appliance, a doctor's visit, and suddenly your whole financial life feels like it's hanging by a thread. But something powerful happens when you build your first real savings cushion. Because $10,000 isn't about buying expensive things, it's about buying peace of mind. When you have zero savings, every choice feels dangerous. You stick with jobs you hate because you can't afford to risk leaving. You avoid opportunities because failure would destroy you financially. But when you finally see 5 digits in your bank account, everything shifts. You don't suddenly become reckless, you just become brave enough to think about more than survival. Maybe you finally ask for that promotion. Maybe you take a certification course that boosts your salary. Maybe you move somewhere with better opportunities. Because now, if something goes wrong, you're not instantly ruined. You have breathing room. And this isn't just emotional, it's biological. Studies show financial security lowers cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. That means saving money literally changes how your brain and body respond to daily problems. Remember the last time your car made a weird noise? Without savings, your mind jumps straight to panic. How much will this cost? Can I afford it? Do I need to borrow money? But with savings, it's annoying, not terrifying. And that tiny shift from panic to inconvenience changes your entire life. When you're not constantly stressed about money, you sleep better, you focus better, you're kinder to people around you, you make smarter decisions, because fear isn't controlling every move you make. And here's something most people don't realize. The biggest benefit of $10,000 isn't spending it, it's knowing it's there. Financial experts call this the emergency fund effect. Ironically, most people who build emergency savings never use it for emergencies. Instead, they use it for opportunities. They invest in education. They start side businesses. They relocate for better jobs. They take chances they never could before because they're not worried about survival anymore. Confidence starts to show up in subtle ways, too. You negotiate better because you're not desperate. You walk away from bad deals. You stop accepting situations that don't serve you. And this confidence often leads to better income, better careers, and better life choices. Now, maybe you're thinking $10,000 sounds impossible, especially if saving even $100 feels difficult. But here's the secret nobody tells you. The hardest part isn't saving money. The hardest part is becoming the kind of person who saves money. Most people treat saving like a temporary diet. They cut expenses aggressively, suffer for a few months, then give up and go back to old habits. Successful savers don't do that. They change identity. They start seeing themselves as people who keep money instead of spending everything they earn. Once that identity changes, decisions change automatically. You start noticing unnecessary expenses. You become creative about earning extra income. You begin thinking long-term instead of chasing instant gratification. And it gets easier over time. Saving your first $1,000 feels brutal. It requires discipline and lifestyle changes. But saving the next $1,000 feels easier. And by the time you're halfway to $10,000, the process feels normal. There's also a simple mathematical truth here. Most unexpected expenses fall below $10,000. Car repairs, medical bills, temporary job loss, family emergencies. So once you hit this milestone, you're protected from the majority of financial disasters that trap people in constant struggle. But perhaps the biggest change happens in how you think about money itself. Before savings, money feels scarce. Every dollar spent feels gone forever. But once you have savings, money starts looking like a tool, something that can create more opportunities. You start learning about investing, you explore side hustles, you think about passive income, not because you suddenly became a financial genius, but because your brain finally has space to think beyond paying bills. And here's a mind-blowing truth. Someone with $10,000 saved is often closer to financial freedom than someone earning twice as much but saving nothing. Because wealth isn't built by income, it's built by habits. You probably know high earners who are always broke. They drive nice cars, live in expensive places, and spend everything they make. Meanwhile, someone earning less but saving consistently builds real security over time. The difference isn't salary, it's mindset. Saving teaches patience, discipline, and the ability to delay gratification, the most powerful financial skill anyone can learn. And practically speaking, $10,000 solves a lot. Car breakdown? Covered. Medical emergency? Manageable. Job loss? You have months to recover instead of weeks. Instead of desperately grabbing the first opportunity, you can choose the right one. But here's where life really changes. Savings don't just protect you, they create possibilities. Imagine hearing about a course that costs $2,000 but increases your income by $10,000 per year. Without savings, it's impossible. With savings, it's an investment. Or imagine your friend starting a business and offering you a chance to join early. Without money, you watch from the sidelines. With savings, you have options, and options change everything. Financial security also improves sleep, health, and relationships. Money stress is one of the biggest causes of insomnia and relationship conflict. When you're not constantly worried about bills, you become more present, less anxious, and more emotionally available to the people around you. Confidence shows up professionally too. You walk into interviews differently when you don't desperately need the job. You negotiate salary better, and often this leads to higher earnings, creating a positive cycle. Now, let's address reality. $10,000 doesn't make you rich. You still need to be smart with money, but it gives you room to think strategically instead of constantly reacting to emergencies. You start optimizing your finances. You shop for better insurance. You cut unnecessary subscriptions. You find smarter ways to manage expenses. Small improvements compound into serious financial progress. Here's an interesting psychological twist. When you have no savings, every dollar feels precious because losing it feels dangerous. But when you have savings, individual dollars feel less stressful, which actually makes you more willing to invest in opportunities that grow income. Maybe you attend a networking event that leads to a better job. Maybe you invest in learning new skills. Financial safety doesn't make you careless, it makes you smarter. And let's talk about social life for a second. Money stress isolates people. You avoid outings, you feel embarrassed, you pull away from friends. Savings reduce that pressure. You stop resenting others' success. You enjoy social moments without constant anxiety. Life feels lighter. And here's something subtle but powerful: decision fatigue. Every day, people without savings burn mental energy calculating tiny purchases: generic pasta or name brand, eat out or skip, regular gas or premium. With savings, most of these decisions disappear. You choose based on preference, not fear.
One person once told me they nearly cried in a grocery store after reaching $10,000, not because they bought expensive food, but because they finally chose what they wanted instead of what they could barely afford. That's freedom. And if your bank balance feels far away from this goal, don't panic. Nobody saves $10,000 overnight. Start small, $50 a month, even $25. Consistency beats intensity. Most people spend thousands each year on convenience purchases they barely remember. Redirect a small portion towards savings, and momentum builds faster than you think. Because the real transformation isn't the money, it's the person you become while saving it. You become patient, intentional, future-focused. And once you hit $10,000, the next milestone feels possible. Then the next, until financial independence no longer feels like a fantasy, but a path you're already walking. So if tonight you find yourself awake worrying about money, remember this.